Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel and I hope you are doing great. So friends, like I'm doing the dashboard and show you something great. So friends, before showing you, I must say please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest updates. So friends, here we go. So let's see the dashboard. You have seen my old video and the new thing is see the beautiful AI chatbot that I have made and is floating icon as well. Now I will click on it. See, wait, let me ask something. Hi, and he's saying, how can I help you? Dashboard, I will set something else. I'm still learning. Try to ask about user and sales. So I will ask about users. Users and send. The currently have 1245 active users and sales and see sales are up by 18% compared of last week. Great. And friends, I will make it more good and I'm just showing you the demo. So till then, have a good night, take care, bye bye.